Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ferrari 488 GTB and this is by Maisto and this is their metal series. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Here is a closer look of it. So this is a glittery blue and this looks really nice. See, I still don't know what the sticker means. So if any of you guys know, what this one resembles, if this is some kind of reference code or something, please let me know under the comments. So detailing is pretty neat. It's not like too crazy or too detailed, but it's still good for the price. So the windows doesn't both the windshield or the windows, it doesn't look like a glass. It looks like just what you can say, translucent plastic. And the headlights and tail lights all are painted, so nothing is actually fiber or something like that. Still, for its price range, it's pretty good. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great if you guys subscribe and support me, so it will help me to put out a lot more great content like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.